Are you tired of rising fuel prices and endless maintenance costs? What if I told you there's a smarter, greener, and more affordable way to drive in 2025? Electric cars aren't just for the wealthy anymore. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 budget electric cars you can actually afford without compromising on quality, style, or tech. Number 5, the Nissan Leaf. One of the pioneers in the EV world, this car remains a solid option. The 2025 model comes with up to 150 miles, 240 kilometers of range, spacious interiors, and advanced safety features like lane assist and emergency braking. It's perfect for city commuting and starts around $28,000. Number 4, the Renault Zoe. Compact, stylish, and efficient. With up to 245 miles, 395 kilometers of range, and quick charging support, it's a strong choice for urban drivers. It also has a 10-inch touchscreen and regenerative braking, all starting at approximately $27,000. Car number 3, Chevrolet Bolt EV. Narrator. Number 3, the Chevy Bolt EV. Known for value and performance, the 2025 version offers around 259 miles, 417 kilometers of range, and includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a roomy cabin. With a price tag under $27,000, it's one of the most practical options on the list. Number 2, MG4 Electric. This newcomer is shaking up the EV world. With sporty looks, a tech-loaded interior, and up to 280 miles, 450 kilometers of range, it delivers incredible value for under $25,000. Plus, it comes with adaptive cruise control and a sleek digital display. 1, the BYD Dolphin. Affordable, futuristic, and feature-packed. Starting at just $20,000, it offers a solid 210 to 250 miles, 338 to 402 kilometers of range, panoramic sunroof, voice command, and fast charging. It's a great option for those stepping into the EV market for the first time. The BYD Dolphin. Most affordable, great design, and smart features. The MG4, sporty, high-tech, and excellent range. The Chevy Bolt, reliable, long range, and spacious. The Renault Zoe, perfect for the city with solid range. The Nissan Leaf, the EV veteran with strong safety features. Each of these offers a unique balance of price, performance, and practicality, all while helping you go green. Thanks for watching. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content on tech and smart gadgets. Until next time, drive safe and stay electric.